Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 7, leçon K. And in this lesson we'll discover together the verb aller, so aller means to go, and especially the conditionnel présent form of this verb. Okay, so let's start right now. The first form goes like j'irai, tu irais, il irait, elle irait. Nous irions, vous iriez, ils iraient, elles iraient. Okay, so let's check them one more time. The first one, j'irai. Okay, remember, final S not pronounced. J'irai. Tu irais. Same thing here, final S not pronounced. Tu irais. And then, il, masculine form, irait, final T not pronounced. So what you can see is that these form, and this form are actually pronounced the same way. Okay? So, il irait, elle irait. Okay, then, nous irions. Okay, so let's make this little liaison between the two. Nous irions, final S not pronounced. Nous irions. Then, vous iriez. So same thing here, make the liaison. Vous iriez. Remember, when you get this EZ at the end, you get the sound E. Okay? Iriez, iriez, and then vous iriez. Alright? And the final form, ils iraient. Okay, so remember, make the liaison as well. You get this S and then the vowel after. So, ils iraient. And then if you look carefully, you get A-I-E-N-T. Okay? But then phonetically, it goes like E. Okay, so technically these form and these forms here are pronounced the same way, and it goes like irait. Okay, so ils iraient, and then the feminine, elles iraient. Alright, so j'irai, tu irais, il irait, elle irait, nous irions, vous iriez, ils iraient, elles iraient. Okay, so that's it for the conditionnel présent form of the verb aller. Aller, remember, it was to go, and then you've got the YouTube channel here, and it's youtube.com/imagier if you want more videos, and then the website is here, and it's waiting for you, imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.